Today is March 17th, St. Patrick's Day in New York City. Atmos in Harlem just tweeted out that they dropped a St. Patrick Air Force One. It's gonna be insane up there. There's gonna be resellers all over the place and hopefully people fighting each other. We're gonna go talk to some of them.
Yes, we are.
We didn't really do our research. These things only resell for $50 above retail. I hope there's still a bit of a crowd. This is the most underwhelming thing I've ever seen in my life. There's no one outside.
Can we come all the way here?
Yeah, I thought there was gonna be people.
It's okay. At least they'll make 50 bucks off the shoe.
There they are, right there. Those Air Force Ones, St. Patrick's Day Air Force Ones. Ari's gonna buy a pair. Should I buy a pair? I'll buy a pair. There's something very confusing that New Yorkers do that no one else does in the entire world. They say they're standing online instead of in line. I say in line, and I think it's very confusing, and you guys should stop saying you're standing online because now the internet exists, and when you say you're waiting online, I assume you're sitting on your laptop, not standing in a line. Explain to me why we're leaving empty-handed.
Because
I got very overeager and very excited. I saw that Atmos was releasing a St. Patrick's Day Air Force One. I sort of thought that they were an Atmos exclusive. They're just a regular Air Force One, and they're sitting on the shelf. So we came to Harlem for, I mean, I don't want to say no reason. We got to see the Apollo Theater.
there has to be something up here that we can get that will make this all worth it.
Today is St. Patrick's Day, and we are celebrating by... I have green socks. I have green Elite socks that I bought in like 2012. We're also celebrating by having a package show up from GOAT. Once again, GOAT Instant Ship, thank you. You guys are the best. I ordered these yesterday. They are here today. Sure, were they expensive? Honestly, I'm not even complaining about that anymore. I'm in the US. I don't need to pay duty fees on these. It saved me like $240. Life is good. I'm gonna go on a bit of an adventure with you guys here because I don't remember what these are called. Maybe they're called like the Rose something, Ash Stone. I mean, I know what they are. I shouldn't say that. I just don't know what they're called. Ash Pearl. That's what they're called. Ash Pearl. Nice. You guys must hate me by now with the amount of Yeezys that I show you. It's like every single week there's a new pair of Yeezys. Actually, there was 3 pairs of Yeezys that released this week. There is the 380s, then there's the Quantums, and then there's these, which come out Saturday, March 20th for $220. Let's see what these look like. I'm honestly not that excited, but I am a little bit curious. They're not bad. I'd wear these. Ooh, it's like split down the middle completely. That is a new design. Look at that. It's split down the middle completely. That's not bad. Ari, you like shoes, don't you?
I used to. As you can see, I don't wear them anymore.
This is the 3rd Yeezy that's come out this week. I think your theory on Kanye needing divorce money might actually be accurate because there have been 4 Yeezys in the past 8 days that have come out.
Wow. Do these even resell anymore?
I don't know. Maybe you can make 20 bucks off of them.
They're okay. I like the colors, but I also think that like, I'm just so sick of this shoe. But I don't know, I mean, these are fine. I wouldn't really wear them. I'm sick of like, they should just make this a solid color sole. Like I know that it wears off if they make it solid color, but like, Adidas, if you'd made the sole gray, it would be a much more aesthetically pleasing product. I've seen this semi-translucent sole about 1 million times, and I'm just sick of it. I haven't even worn Boost shoes in like 2 years. Isn't that crazy? I have this wild and crazy theory that I'll be able to tell the difference between Adidas and Nike shoes.
Gotta mix them around a little bit.
I have no idea which one's which.
Okay, take a whiff.
Well, I haven't died yet, so I'm assuming that's an Adidas. Bring it a little closer. That was the Adidas one. That was.
They were both Adidas.
They were?
Yes.
Damn it! I do the other Nike one. Oh yeah.
In all all seriousness though, I am just getting very confused by Yeezys at this point. I can't tell the difference between all of them. Like, is Yeezy playing an elaborate prank on us? There are 15 Yeezys that look similar enough to this that you could question them being the same shoe if you saw someone walk by on the street with them. Like, it's to the point where I'm walking down the street and I see people wearing Yeezys and I don't know what colorway they are anymore. That doesn't happen with Jordans, that doesn't happen with Ultra Boosts, that doesn't happen with LeBrons. Like, you know what color they are, at least to some extent, but now that we're 4 years into releasing this shoe over and over and over and over, and it's not like there's different panels that you can do different things with. It's a Yeezy 350. They look nice. I really do like the color split. I think that's a cool idea to have this side this color and this side this color. I think that's a cool idea. I'll grant them that. They haven't done that on a lot of other Yeezys, and I think it's just something to switch it up enough to justify having a new shoe, even though it looks very similar. Like, how close do these look to the clays? They look very close to the clays. They're definitely not a bad shoe. They're just very replaceable is a good word that I'd use. I mean, if you can't get these when they come out on Saturday, March 20th for $220, fear not, because there's a bunch of other Yeezys that you can buy for $240 or $250 that look extremely similar. I do have to say, I do like this little recycled paper tag that they've been using on the past few releases. Very simple, and I realize almost no one cares about it, but seeing a bunch of Yeezys, it's cool to see they did something different. I don't know, if I had to give them a score, I'd give them like a solid 7. They're not bad, but they're not amazing. I'm just really starting to question whether Yeezy is purposely releasing the same shoe over and over and over and over again. I'm gonna throw these on feet for you right away though. I think they do look decent on feet. Decent enough to maybe make me consider purchasing them if I hadn't already bought every single pair of Yeezys in existence. And since I don't need these are gonna be one of the shoes in the March mystery box, which is on sale right now for $49.99. I wanna clarify for some of you guys, obviously this is not a Hypebeast resale box. It's never intended to be a Hypebeast resale box. This is a box that I fill with a bunch of cool stuff every single month, over $50 worth, and then some people obviously get amazing shoes for ridiculously low prices. This month we have the Travis Scott Jordan 1s, Union LAs, of course these, Yeezy 450s, Jordan 1 University Blues, a ton of shoes. I did just want to clear up some confusion that I saw some people having and some people just spreading bad information. It's not a Hypebeast resale box, but it is a really cool box where you can get a bunch of cool stuff and a chance at some awesome sneakers. So there's a link in the description for that. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and until next time, peace.